Would you believe me if I said it only took me 2 minutes to make this super cool game? And for this game, it was just 3 minutes, and I did all that for free. I found a new open source AI tool that can do everything ChatGPT does, but for free. This is called Kimi AI. They have recently updated their model to Kimi AI 2, which is stronger and better for coding. When you compare this with AI tools like Claude Sonnet 4 and Gemini Flash 2.5, it's as good as those tools and sometimes better than those, and the most important part is that these AI tools are very expensive and Kimi AI is way cheaper than those tools. And today I'm going to try this Kimi AI 2 new update and give you an honest review about it. You can try this on your computer because it's open source. And the crazy thing is that if you want, you can try this on their website, which is kimi.com, and it's free. Let's go to their website and try several things. You can use the link in the description. If you are using Google, go to this website. And this is the Kimi dashboard. It's similar to DeepSeek and ChatGPT. Here you can select the previous version, which is Kimi 1.5 or Kimi 2, and also upload images and files using this option. Let's start with a simple task, like writing a video script. So I'm going to use this simple prompt, which says, create an engaging video script for this topic. What would happen if an asteroid the size of New York City hits Earth? Make this script sound documentary. Start with an interesting hook that can grab the viewer's attention. So let's see the results. We have our video script. The first thing I noticed was that this script has a good duration. I didn't even mention the duration, but it has more than 10 minutes, which is good. If I use ChatGPT without specifying the duration time, I'm probably going to get like 2-minute script. And actually this script is amazing. It's not boring at all, and it actually sounds like human generated rather than AI generated. Now I'm going to do another simple task. I have a PDF file about photosynthesis, and now I want to make 100 multiple choice questions based on this lesson. Now if I do it manually, it's going to take a lot of time. I have to read this several times and ask questions and find answers. That's a lot of work. Now let's see how long Kimi AI is going to take to process this task. First, I'm going to upload the document to this dashboard, and let's simply ask it to generate 100 multiple choice questions based on these lessons. Now, the 100 questions are being generated. One thing I noticed was it's not just generating random questions from the article. I think it's correctly organized in terms of difficulty in each topic. It only took me around like 2 minutes. Now we have 100 questions, and each topic has 10 questions with multiple choices, and we also have the answers. This is really impressive, and one of the coolest things that this AI can do is it can process data from both text and images. The PDF file that I uploaded has both text information and graphics that provide a lot of information. So these questions are based on everything in that PDF file. Now, let's try to do some difficult tasks. This time I'm going to make a website dashboard. Create a beautiful website that showcases tree and environmental facts about countries around the world. Include interactive charts and visualizations such as bar graphs for forest coverage by country, pie charts for renewable energy usage, and maps highlighting biodiversity hotspots. Use a clean, responsive layout with customizable sections so users can explore facts by region, country, or environmental category. Integrate smooth animations and subtle nature-inspired gradients, like green and earthy tones, to enhance usability without clutter. Put everything in a standalone HTML file. The reason why I put everything in a standalone HTML file is that, if not, I can't preview the code and see what's on the dashboard, so make sure to add that part as well. And let's generate the website. As you can see here, we can see the code is being generated in real time. This is actually a difficult website to build, not like some simple task that a developer can do within several hours. I'm sure that this process is going to take days to complete if you do the code manually. So it took approximately 3 minutes, and the code for the website is ready. Honestly, this code is really longer than I expected. That's why I said if we write this code manually, it's going to take days. However, let's preview our dashboard. It looks absolutely amazing. It even has those chart animations when we open it. The color theme is actually perfect with the information that this website provides, and everything is interactive. I think you can see it clearly when I bring the mouse pointer here. It has this pop-up animation. I didn't even provide the guides to add these animations and color themes. It has all been decided by this AI. If you are a developer, this is going to be one of your biggest enemies. No, I'm just kidding. AI is going to evolve like crazy in the next few years. So if you are a developer, get all the help you need from AI tools like this. Okay, now I want to make a 2D game with Kimi. Let's try it as well. This is the prompt that I'm going to use. Create a fun and colorful 2D game called Fruit Catcher, where players control a basket to catch falling fruits while avoiding bombs. include smooth animations for falling objects, score tracking, and increasing difficulty as the game progresses, faster drops, more bombs. Use bright, engaging visuals with playful sound effects for catching fruits and explosions for bombs. Design a clean, responsive layout with simple controls so players can enjoy it on both desktop and mobile. Integrate a leaderboard system so users can compete for high scores. Put everything in a standalone HTML file. Let's generate it. In this prompt, I've explained how this game is going to work, and I hope Kimi AI would be able to understand it and give us a good result. Okay, this code is actually longer than before. I think it took like 2 minutes to generate this one, and I'm going to preview this game. Okay, this is nice. Let's play it and see if everything works well or not. We can move this fruit basket using the mouse, and I really like this colorful background. Okay, we have some cool sound effects as well. This is actually crazy. I mean, this is the first try. I didn't get any errors, and the code is running perfectly. And we have different fruits, and if we catch the bomb 3 times, the game is over. It's actually really fun to play. I'm sure that if you want to make this code manually, it's going to take days. But now I did that without spending a penny, and it only took me 2 minutes. Actually, I want to try another gaming concept. This time I'm going to call this game Pixel Runner. It's a side-scrolling endless runner where the player jumps over obstacles and collects coins. Here's the prompt I'm going to use. It's the same as before, and I've explained all the basic details, and let's try this as well. This time it took me exactly 3 minutes, and this code is very complex and longer than before. It's because I think the gaming concept is actually a little bit complex, so let's check it. Okay, this is actually cool, but the problem is it's like very difficult to play. I think you have to be more competitive, and the sound effects that they have used are actually amazing. They're a lot similar to Super Mario. I'm actually very impressed with this AI tool. Another feature that this AI can do is that it can write full research paper for your topics. For example, my girlfriend is doing research on the strawberry plant, and I'm just going to copy her topic and try to make a research paper for it. And I'm going to use this simple prompt for this process. I'm going to enable the research feature, and let's go ahead. And this AI is asking me for some information about this research in order to proceed. And I'm going to give that information and let Kimi AI complete this research paper. It looks like this AI is doing deep research on the web to find the details for this paper. Let's wait and see the results. It took around 15 minutes to complete this task, and I actually thought it's going to be like a simple PDF format. But this AI has made a fully interactive web page to present this research paper. I mean, that's really brilliant. If you take a look at this research paper, it has everything about the topic I wanted. And all the data have been presented in an interesting way. This is going to be very helpful for students and researchers. And this page is interactive. You can easily navigate to any section by selecting it. To be honest, guys, this AI is actually better than ChatGPT. I did all these tasks for free, and I didn't face any errors so far. I got every task done on the first attempt. And with that, I hope you learned some valuable information from this video. And if you want to know more about the things that AI can do, keep in touch with my channel. I wish you the best of luck.